Good morning children, Sairam. Today we are going to continue with EVS 2. Chapter number 8, Defeat of Internal Enemies. Now children, this is part 2. And we are going to start this part with new words as usual. Captivated. Captivated. C-A-P-T-I-V-A-T-E-D. Captivated. Captivated means to fascinate or to attract. Applauded. Applauded. A-P-P-L-A-U-D-E-D. Applauded. Applauded means cheered. Conferred. Conferred. C-O-N-F-E-R-R-E-D. Conferred means to grant or to award. Penetrated. Penetrated. P-E-N-E-T-R-A-T-E-D. Penetrated means to go through. Succession. Succession. S-U-C-C-E-S-S-I-O-N. Succession means progression. Descendants. Descendants. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-A-N-T-S. Descendants means successor. Impertinent. Impertinent. I-M-P-E-R-T-I-N-E-N-T. Impertinent means unmannerly, inappropriate. Troublesome. Troublesome. T-R-O-U-B-L-E-S-O-M-E. Troublesome means annoying, irritating. Harassing. Harassing. H-A-R-A-S-S-I-N-G. Harassing. Harassing means to annoy somebody. It means to annoy somebody. Now children, this is our content outline of this part. Chandra Rao More of Javli. But children, before learning this part in detail, we will revise part 1, what we studied in part 1 in short, and also the same content outline of part 2 in short. So let's start with part 1. In part 1, we studied about by use of force. The simple Maratha folks called the Mavlas loved Shivaji and were ready to help him and to die for Swaraj. But there were some who were jealous of Shivaji's achievements. Now, who were those people? Yes, there were few Marathas who were jealous, and so they wanted to disturb Shivaji in the plan of establishing Swaraj. Yes, they wanted to disturb Shivaji in the plan of establishing Swaraj. Now the Maratha who were the internal enemies of Shivaji, they were Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade. These two Sardars were in the service of Adil Shah, and Adil Shah constantly told them things about Shivaji, and they were very angry. So they wanted to have a fight. Fight with whom? Shivaji. So they fought with Shivaji all the time, and they created trouble for Shivaji. And then what happened? Shivaji did not like all these things, So he defeated and drove them out. Now another Maratha Sardar from the Nimbalkar family. He was Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Fulton. Now who was Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar? He was Saibai's brother. Now who was Saibai? Shivaji's wife. Now she belonged to Nimbalkar's family. Now, but Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar, Saibai's brother, was constantly fighting with Shivaji. So Shivaji had to fight many battles against Nimbalkars. But later on, this family became friends with Shivaji and they supported Shivaji Maharaj. The other Maratha Sardar was Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, was also a near relative of Shivaji. He too plotted against Shivaji all the time. And so Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. He sent him to Karnataka. Now in part 2, Chandrarao More of Javli. Yet another Maratha, Chandrarao More of Javli. He was very powerful. He had many people who supported him. Because Shivaji achieved many things, people loved him. And he won over the hearts of many people. Now, who won the hearts? Yes, Shivaji won the hearts of many people. Seeing all this, the Mores did not like it. They felt Shivaji as a mole in the eye. So they were also against Shivaji. Now these people were also against Shivaji. Now another internal enemy for Shivaji. Yes, he was another internal enemy for Shivaji. The Mores of Javli had Jagirs and so they were called Jagirdars. Now to their Jagirs extended from Raigad to Koyna Valley. Now it was a big place and along with this the title Chandrarao was given to them by Adil Shah. Now this Javli was covered with thick forest full of wildlife. It was so thick that even during daylight the sun's rays were not penetrated. Penetrated means it could not pass into the forest. So it was very dark in this place. The place was very dark. Now this place was full of wild animals like tigers, wolves and bears. So no one dared to come near this place. Now it was like the tiger's hideout for the Mores. So no one would even cross their path. Now no one came to fight with them. It was only Shivaji who had courage to do so. Now Daulat Rao More died in the year 1645. So the Mores started fighting among themselves. Now why they started fighting? Themselves means they were fighting now among their own family. They were fighting among their own family for the succession of the throne. Now who is going to sit on the king's chair? So they were fighting for the same thing. Now who will sit on the throne was the fight among the More's family. Now Shivaji supported Yashwantrao More for the succession of the throne. Means Shivaji helped him to ascend the Gadi as Chandrarao. Gadi means throne, king's chair. When Shivaji helped Chandrarao, that is the new king on the throne, his name was Yashwantrao. He was very happy, was pleased with Shivaji, and he told him that I will support you in your struggle for Swaraj. But after he sat on the Gadi, he forgot all the promises that he had made to Shivaji. Now, in fact, he started troubling Shivaji and attacking Shivaji's territory and started harassing the people. Now Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger for Swaraj. Now we will study in detail Chandrarao More of Javli. Chandrarao More of Javli. Now the greatness of Shivaji's achievements was recognized and applauded everywhere. Now everybody was praising Shivaji because of Shivaji's achievements. Because he captivated heart of many people. Now some people did not like this. Some people were still hating Shivaji. They looked upon Shivaji as a mole in the eye. So, the More of Javli was one such person. Now, More, who was More? More was the Jagirdar of Javli. More was the Jagirdar of Javli. Jagirdar means the person who's having lot of Jagir. The Jagir which extended from Raigad to Koina Valley. Now this is very big place, from Raigad to Koina Valley, along with the title Chandrarao was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Now Adil Shah gave him the title of Chandrarao. To whom? To More of Javli, Daulat Rao More. Now Javli was covered with such a thick forest that even during a broad daylight the sun's rays hardly penetrated in. Now the sun's rays were not able to pass in the forest. It was full of wildlife. Tigers, wolves, bears roamed freely in the Javli forest. More's Javli was thus like a tiger's hideout. So no one crossed More's path. Why? Because it was very scary. Now only Shivaji had the courage to do so. Now Daulat Rao More died in 1645. Now when he died, after his death, there was a fight for succession. Now among his descendants. Now means successor. Now Shivaji backed Yashwantrao More. He supported Yashwantrao More for Gadi. Shivaji helped to ascend the Gadi as Chandrarao, the title given by Adil Shah. So he helped Yashwantrao More to ascend the Gadi. In return for Shivaji's help, Yashwantrao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle and also pay him an annual tribute. He was ready to help. Means both were helping each other. Shivaji was helping Yashwantrao to ascend the Gadi, and Yashwantrao told that I will help you in establishing Swaraj. But he forgot all this. Once he succeeded to the Gadi, he forgot everything. When he got his Gadi, he forgot everything. He became impertinent and he became troublesome. He was troubling Shivaji. He started attacking Shivaji's territory and harassing people. He started giving trouble to people. Now Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. Now he said, I have to punish Yashwantrao More. Children, we will take a quick recap of this part. The greatness of Shivaji's achievements was recognized and applauded everywhere. The More of Javli was the Jagirdar of Javli. Their Jagir extended from Raigad to Koyna Valley. Along with this, the title Chandra Rao was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Javli was covered with a thick forest. It was full of wildlife. Morays of Javli was thus like a tiger's hideout. No one had the courage to cross Moray's path except Shivaji. After the death of Daulat Rao More, there was a fight for succession. Shivaji backed Yashwantrao More, who, with Shivaji's help, ascended the Gadi as Chandra Rao. Yashwantrao promised to help Shivaji, but he forgot all this once he succeeded to the Gadi. He became impertinent and troublesome, attacking Shivaji's territory. Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. Now children, we will start with our assessment. Fill in the blanks by choosing correct option. Adil Shah had conferred the title of Dash on More. Options are Raja, Maharaja, Chandra Rao. Yes, and the correct option is very good, Chandra Rao. Second one, the Jagir of Javli extended from Dash to Koyna Valley. And the options are Raigad, Pratapgarh, Sinhgarh. And the correct option is yes, very good. And the correct option is Raigad. The Jagir of Javli extended from Raigad to Koyna Valley. Third, Daulat Rao More died in Dash. Now, in which year he died? 1645, 1564, 1546. Very good. And he died in 1645. Fourth one, Shivaji helped Yashwantrao More to ascend the Gadi as Dash. Options are Nimbalkar, Chandra Rao, Ghorpade. Yes. Very good. And the correct option is Chandra Rao. Now question number 2, name the following. He was looked upon as a mole in the eye by More of Javli. Yes, and the correct option is very good, Shivaji Maharaj. Now second one, he was helped by Shivaji to ascend the Gadi of Chandra Rao. And the correct answer is very good, Yashwantrao More. Let's check. I'll repeat again. He was looked upon as a mole in the eye by More of Javli. And the answer is Shivaji. Second one, he was helped by Shivaji to ascend the Gadi of Chandra Rao. And the answer is Yashwantrao More. Thank you.